Hi. In this video, we will see how to create a separate color CSS file in a web project. First, let's see an example. I have an HTML file here. In the body tag, we show some text in an h1 tag. And here in the style tag, we have written the CSS properties for the h1 tag. So here we have mentioned the font size, text alignment, and color of the text. The color is orange and is mentioned in hex code format. Now, let's run this file in a browser. As you can see, our text is shown in orange color. Now imagine we have hundreds of such UI elements in tens of different HTML files. So will it be ideal to write each element's color property like this? The answer is, no. Ideally, we should have a common color file that lists all the colors that we are going to use in our entire project. And then we use those colors wherever we want. Let's see how to do that. I have created a color.css file here. And in this file, I have mentioned all the colors that I'm going to use in my project. So I'm going to use orange, black, and white colors. Now let's see how to use these colors in our HTML file. So here, first, we need to integrate the color.css file in the head tag of our HTML file. Then, in the color attribute, we call the var function. And pass the name of the color from the CSS file. It's this simple. Let's run this code. As you can see, the text is orange in color, and the color comes from the CSS file that we just created. Now let's change the color to black and see. There you go. The colors work. So that's it. That's how you can create a common colors.css file in your web project. Thanks for watching.